second floor of a 19-floor building. The property features 3 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 3 balconies, offering ample natural light and airy rooms. It faces the northwest direction and overlooks a pool, park garden, club, and main road. Key highlights include wheelchair and pet-friendly amenities, full power backup, 24/7 water supply, visitor parking, on-call maintenance staff, and a servant room. The gated society ensures security with high-speed elevators, 24/7 power backup, security guards, CCTV surveillance, and a visitor management system.